True Peace Kens InOrbit offers time capsule to give operators, engineers insight into robot fleets. Man, peep the slang. New cloud-based software as a service feature enables mobile robot operators turn back time to understand failures and optimize fleets. Man, peep the slang. InOrbit Inc., which provides cloud-based software to help operation teams orchestrate service robots, today announced a time capsule feature, which gives engineering and operations staffers greater insight into their robot fleets. The Mountain View, California-based company said the latest upgrade to software as a service (SaaS) platform captures critical data needed to understand robot autonomy exceptions, giving users the ability to turn back time to understand where the failures occurred and enabling them to improve productivity. Peep the slang. InOrbit said that robots, humans, and AI working together can solve the biggest problems. No robot is perfect, noted the company. However, it is often very difficult to understand the circumstances that lead to robot errors, whether it is a failure to perform a task efficiently, choosing the appropriate route, or navigating a difficult space. We are striving to make it easy and intuitive for anyone to get insights from their robot, drive the right actions, and intervene if needed, stated Florian Pestoni, CEO of InOrbit. With our updated user experience and new functionality, we are taking it to the next level to help our customers to optimize their robots even further. Keep the slang. InOrbit time capsule visualizes performance by capturing the data and presenting it in an integrated dashboard. Time capsule gives robotistics and easy use to interactive visualization for root cause analysis, said InOrbit. This can lead to a greater understanding of performance, which is critically important to drive continuous improvement with mobile robots. The rod slang, the autonomous robotic industry is still in its infancy and growing rapidly, Pestoni said. We have seen the impact of continuous improvement processes before, which drove significant gains in manufacturing and more recently an explosion of e-commerce. Today, these same processes are driving massive gains in the automation industry. InOrbit customers can now arrange and display robot data for various roles based on the context needed to get their job done. For instance, an executive can access key performance indicators about the overall fleet performance. Meanwhile, a robotistic can configure the right data sources and visualization, and a robot operator can see detailed robot status. Each company or user can customize their views based on the data that they need, said InOrbit. Another key area of improvement is the hardware agnostic software ability to get situational awareness about a robot. The company said this includes understanding a robot's position on a map, seeing through its multiple cameras, visualizing other sensor data such as a point cloud generated by lidar, and ultimately tracking the robot's movement. Peep the slang. And if a robot gets mislocalized, cloud-based tools can fix the problems in seconds, said InOrbit. And if the robot needs a gentle nudge to go back to operating autonomously, Time Capsule can provide the tools to set it on the right path. Let me give you a little. InOrbit provides data for improvement. As we've been preparing our introduction of a brand new robot, InOrbit has been with us every step of the way, enabling targeted real-time observation that we have rolled out to our distributed team, said Steve Croft, Executive Vice President of Operations at Savvy OK. On top of that, InOrbit is solving a critical need we have by bringing key data together for offline analysis as we continuously refine our technology. If the last year has taught us anything, it is that it's never too early to optimize the operation of autonomous robots, said Michael Norrell, Vice President of Operations at Agility Robotics. In order to achieve this, it's critical that robotic companies deploy tools and infrastructure that enable continuous improvement and continuous learning across the company in order to realize the promise of this emerging technology. Time Capsule, along with additional user interface improvement, is immediately available for new and existing InOrbit customers. The company will hold a webinar showcasing Time Capsule and additional features of platform on Wednesday, May 26th. at 8 a.m. Registration is free. Peep the slang on the video. Peep the slang.